Imagine sipping a refreshing, bubbly cocktail on a warm summer evening, with a view of the Italian Riviera. That's the essence of a classic Aperol Spritz, a beloved Italian aperitif that's perfect for warm weather and social gatherings. The Aperol Spritz has a vibrant orange hue reminiscent of a golden sunset. It's made with just 4 key ingredients: Aperol, Prosecco, club soda, and a slice of fresh orange. Aperol, the star of the show, is a bright orange aperitif with a complex flavour profile, featuring zesty orange and herbal notes, balanced with a touch of vanilla. Prosecco, an Italian sparkling wine, adds effervescence and a touch of sweetness. Club soda provides additional fizz and dilution, while a slice of orange garnishes the drink and enhances its citrusy aroma. Creating an Aperol Spritz is remarkably simple. Start by filling a wine glass with ice. Pour in the Aperol, typically filling about 1/3 of the glass. Next, add an equal amount of Prosecco. Top it off with a splash of club soda and garnish with a slice of orange. No cocktail shaker or fancy equipment required. It's that easy. While the classic recipe calls for equal parts Aperol and Prosecco, you can adjust the ratios to suit your taste. If you find the bitterness of Aperol too strong, try using less Aperol and more Prosecco. For a less boozy version, increase the amount of club soda while reducing the Aperol and Prosecco. As an aperitif, the Aperol Spritz is designed to stimulate the appetite before a meal. It pairs wonderfully with Italian or Mediterranean-inspired appetizers. Consider serving it with olives, goat cheese or fresh mozzarella with crusty bread, fresh fruits like grapes or oranges, or even simple popcorn drizzled with olive oil. The key is to balance the drink's bitterness with salty, creamy or sweet flavours. To make your own Aperol Spritz at home, you'll need ice, 3 ounces each of Aperol and dry Prosecco, 1 ounce of club soda, and an orange slice for garnish. Simply combine the ingredients over ice in a wine glass, and you'll have a taste of Italian summer ready to enjoy. Whether you're lounging on a patio or dreaming of the Italian Riviera, the Aperol Spritz is sure to become your new favourite summer cocktail.